If you want to cancel a Google Drive free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure that you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Sign into Google Drive. Go to the Google Drive website and log in with the Google account associated with your free trial. Step 2. Access Google account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the Google account settings, find the Payments and Subscriptions section. Click on it to view your current subscriptions and services. Step 4. Locate your Google Drive subscription. Under the Subscriptions section, look for your Google Drive subscription. Click on it to see the details of your trial. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. Make sure to confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure that your trial is officially ended. After completing these steps, your Google Drive free trial will be cancelled, and you will not be charged once the trial period ends. Always check your email for confirmation of the cancellation to ensure everything is processed correctly.